Hi, this is Changhui, and the presentation is going to talk about the summary of the financial health and comparison of two companies that belong to the engineering and the construction industry in Australia. And the two companies I'm going to talk about is Southern Cross Electrical Engineering Limited and Lycopodium Limited. The current assets of the company of the SCE is raising from $139 million to $161 million from 2018 to 2019. However, over the years, there has been a decrease in the non-current assets. It was $98 million, $90 million, and $88 million in 2017, 2018, and 2019 respectively. And there's a constant decline in the current asset of the Lycopodium Limited from 2017 to 2019. It was $126 million in the 2017 that declined to $102 million in 2019. The non-current asset increases from 2017 to 2018. However, it decreased in 2019. Hence, there's a fluctuation in non-current assets. Over 3 years, there's fluctuation in current liability of SCE. It was $81 million in 2017, that declines in 2018 and increases to $93 million in 2019. The non-current liabilities significantly decreased from $16 million to $8 million from 2017 to 2019. And total current liabilities are decreasing EEF's year of Lycopodium Limited. Furthermore, the non-current liabilities of the company has also declined over 3 years. The market cap of SCE stands at $110.188 million. On the other hand, the market capitalization of Lycopodium is $171.644 million. The key contributor for the revenue of the SCE is public infrastructure and defense, commercial resources, data centers, and telecommunications, energy, industrial, and utilities. And the revenue comes from engineering consulting service for mining, manufacturing, and rail of Lycopodium Limited. The expenses of the SCE consist of administration, contract expenses, employee benefit expenses, and financial expenses. And the expenses consist of the Lycopodium Limited expenses consist of equipment and materials, project expenses, contractors, employee benefit expenses, occupants expenses, and depreciation expenses. And this is the calculation of the two companies, and I'm going to explain that. I'm going to explain that. The current ratio of SCE in the year 2019 is $101.7 million. On the other hand, the Lycopodium CR is the same year was $2.58 million. The current liabilities of SCE increased in 2019. However, there was a decline in current liabilities of Lycopodium. It reflects that the Lycopodium is in a better position to pay their current obligation in comparison to SCE. The gross profit margin of SCE is 12% in 2019. However, the gross profit margin of Lycopodium is 88% 8%. This shows that Lycopodium has better capability and the resources to generate revenue. Furthermore, comparing to SCEE, Lycopodium is a more profitable company. The debt ratio of SCEE is 0.4 in 2019, whereas the debt ratio of Lycopodium is 0.33. A debt ratio measures the leverage of a company. Both the company has more assets than the liability, so the ratio is less than 1 in both cases. A high ratio reflects that the company is risked on default of lowered with the increase in interest rate. SCEE debt ratio is greater than Lycopodium. A higher earning per share shows the profitability of the firm. The EPS of SCEE in 2019 was 0.05. On the other hand, Lycopodium has EPS of 0.41. EPS of Lycopodium higher than SCEE. Hence, considering all the ratios, Lycopodium is more profitable than SCEE. And that's the presentation. Thank you.